Hey guys, how's it going? We're Igneous Interactive. We're going to show you how to build a PC. So first you'll need PC case, power supply, graphics card, CPU, RAM, motherboard, solid state drive, Windows 10, AYCH power connector, CPU power connector, graphics power connector, Molex power connector, SATA power connector, screws, sandal screws. First, unscrew the 4 screws, then remove the side panels of the PC case. Then thread the power supply cables through the tiny hole of the PC case. Then, carefully position the power supply to the screw holes of the back of the PC case. Find the screws of the power supply and screw them into the back of the PC case. Find the motherboard back panel and slot it into the back of the PC case. You will see a tiny little nub on the RAM sticks. These need to be aligned with the nubs on the RAM slots of the motherboard. With that done, carefully slot them into the slots of the motherboard. Find the solid state drive slot, pop the SSD into it by the metal end, then screw in the screw. Find the CPU, align its arrow to the arrow of the motherboard, then gently lower the lever. Now we're going to install the CPU fan. For this particular motherboard, we need to remove these 2 bits of plastic. You need to insert the fan, carefully twist and screws in, and then it's all fixed in place. Find the cable attached to the fan and connect it to the motherboard CPU fan header. Find the speaker doodad and connect it up to the speaker header. This will let you know if there's any errors on boot. 1 beep means all is good. On the back of the PC case, there will be 2 metal slots that need to be removed. This is to allow access for the video ports of the graphics card. We now need to find the sandal screws. These need to be screwed into the case underneath where the motherboard will be placed. Carefully place the motherboard on top of the standoffs while also aligning with the back panel slot, then screw the motherboard into place. Before connecting the graphics card up, make sure that the little slot on the right is switched to the right. Also, make sure that the plastic guard is removed because you don't want that in the way. With the card inserted, carefully screw it down to the back panel. Find the graphics card power connectors and connect these up to the graphics card. Save the peelies. And finally, connect up those side panels. And now it's time to install Windows 10. Congratulations, you now got a PC. Now read those instructions or we'll break your legs. Lots of love.